Hi guys, good morning. How are you all? How is your study going on? So, one thing I will suggest today in mathematics, one thing is very important, that is time management. So, speed and accuracy both are very important in mathematics. At the time of solving problems, you should keep your speed as well as accuracy, so that will help you to score more in the examinations. So today, without wasting your time, we'll move on to the new topic, that is your chapter 3, and that topic is your pair of linear equations in two variables. So now in class 9, you know about linear equation. You know about linear equation in two variables also. So let us linear. What is the meaning of linear? Linear means degree 1. So linear equations, we know when two expressions are equalized, that is a what? Equation. So now I will take one example. Let x plus y is equal to 10. Or I can also write x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is one linear equation of two variables. What? X and y. Variables are x and y. We can also take different variables. We can take p, q, a, b, whatever it may be. So here I have taken the variable x and y. Now in linear equation, we are telling pair of linear equations. So pair, what do you mean by pair? A pair of shoes, pair of socks. So pair means in two are there. So for example, you will write x plus y is equal to 10, x minus y is equal to 2. This is a pair of equation. So in this pair of equation, when we are writing, we must know what is the general form of a linear equation of two variables, or in two variables, linear equation in two variables. So general form of linear equation in two variables. So that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b are not equal to 0. A, B, C belongs to set of real numbers. Then what is the meaning of A and B not equal to 0? What is the meaning of A and B is not equal to 0? So A and B is not equal to 0 means A square plus B square is not equal to 0. Where ABC here, A, B and C are called arbitrary constants. So now, if I write x plus y is equal to 10, in general form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, I can write this x plus y is equal to 10 in general form can be written as what? X plus y minus 10 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. So now we will write a pair of equations. Pair. How will write the pair of equations? Pair. X plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. It is a one equation. Pair. So you will write, see, x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. X minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. A pair of equations. These are a pair of equations. Two equations are given. So a pair of equations. Then what will be the general form? In general, how we can represent a pair of linear equations in two variables? A pair of linear equations in two variables. Let's see. We can write a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 is equal to 0. a2 x2 plus b2 y2 plus c2 is equal to 0. A pair of what? Linear equation in two variables. In two variables. This is general form. This is your general form, where we can write a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0, and a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0, because a and b both are not 0. Now we move on to the next description about the linear equations in the graph. Geometrical representation. How we can geometrically represent it? Geometrical representation means it will be represented in graph. So details about the geometrical representation or representation in the graph I will discuss now. Now graphical representation. Graphical representation. Graphical representation of linear equation in two variables. Also you can say geometrical representation. Geometrical representation. So graphical. All of you know about the graph. You have seen the graph paper. So just I am recalling some of the facts about the graph. Now you know we have two axes, x-axis and y-axis. So what is x-axis? There is a confusion between the students, which one is x and which one is y. So for better understanding, you always keep it in mind that the axis which is parallel to the base of the paper is the x-axis, and the axis which is perpendicular to the base of the paper is the y-axis. Keep it in mind. Now the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is called the origin. Now here we have first quadrant. This is our first quadrant. This is our second quadrant. This is our third quadrant. This is our fourth quadrant. Here all positive, x plus plus, here minus plus, here your minus minus, here your plus minus. So x coordinate and y coordinate. Now whenever we are plotting the points, writing 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Generally, graphs are ruled in 1 mm squares, and sometimes in examinations also we are getting the papers which are ruled in 2 mm squares. But general graph paper are ruled in 1 mm squares. Now, here, just I am drawing a rough diagram. It is not the graph paper, so I am drawing the rough diagram. So, given, suppose mine is given x plus y is equal to 10. So now, I have taken x plus y is equal to 10. Now, if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 9. X is equal to 2, then y is equal to 8. X is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to what? 10 minus x. So 11. Thus, the points 1, 9, comma, and so on, and so on. Many points we will find out. 1, 9, 2, 8, dot, 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 or minus 1, 11, dot, 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 dot. Many points you can find out by putting different value of x and y. There will the points will lie on the line which satisfies the linear equation in two variable, which satisfies, if we take x is equal to 5, y is equal to 7, then x plus y will be 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So 5, 7 is a point will not lie on the line x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Not satisfying the equation, is not satisfying the equations. So it will not lie on the line. Which will satisfy, which value of x and y will satisfy the linear equation in two variable, that will lie in the line. If will not satisfy, will not lie. So in general, what we will write? What we will write? Let us see about it. What we will write in general? So in general, if x, y are 2 points, x and y are 2 points, will lie on the line if it satisfies the equation. If it does not satisfy the equation, it will not lie on the line. That means here one thing is very clear. The linear equation in two variables, the graph of the linear equations in two variables always give us a straight line. If pair of linear equations are there in two variables, then we will get 2 lines. You know it in class 9. So we will discuss more about that lines, how we are getting the next part. So we can also say that each solution x and y of a linear equation in two variables, what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 corresponds to a point, to a corresponds to a point on the line, representing the equation and vice versa. Means the point will represent the line and the line will represent the point also. Now, we are getting like suppose this is a line, we are getting this is a line, linear equation in two variables line. So here in class 9 we know what type of situations we may get whenever we are solving a pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, so two lines we will get while solving the pair of linear equation in two variables. What are the cases? 1. Let's say the two lines may intersect with each other. This is the case. You can say intersecting lines, this case may come, or the two lines may not intersect each other, may not intersect, non-intersecting lines, or these are parallel lines, non-intersecting lines, parallel lines. This is one, this is another. Parallel. So the two lines may not intersect, and third one is there. The two lines may coincide to each other. So coinciding lines. For example, now this is the line. Suppose you are given A, here another point B, here is a point C, here is a point D. Suppose this is like this is also like this. So here we get two coinciding lines. That means one line is over another line, and it is assumed to be one line. So these are called coinciding lines. So these are the possibilities we may get in the graph of the linear equations in two variables. So more about the graphical solution of the linear equations in two variables will be discussed in the next part. So thank you all for watching this video. Till yet, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it, share it, and give your valuable comments so that you will be benefited by getting more and more clear concepts. Thank you all.